in New York. 425 feet from home plate he made that catch. Escobar grounds to short. Segura not in time. You got to hurry it up with Escobar running, and he beats it out for an infield hit.
I just can't figure out. I mean, it's a ground ball to short, and Escobar hustling down the line.
Close.
He might be out.
Counsell is going to come out to let him know he wants to take a look at it.
I think he's out.
And Counsell will ask for a review, and let's see. Yep, ball's in the glove, and that'll be an out. They'll overturn that one, I think. I'm pretty confident.
He looked out. Just goes you to hustle of Alcides Escobar down that line, and Gene Segura certainly hopes he's out.
The crew chief, Jeff Nelson, is there with the calling umpire, Laz Diaz.
Can't imagine this one taking much too long.
Got to get your friendly wagers down on the replay review. I'm going with out.
Yeah. Well, he was out. I mean, we saw a couple of angles where it showed he was clearly out. Escobar didn't have his foot down, and the ball was in the glove.
That's the best beard of the year by the replay review technician at the ballpark, no question. There's the freeze, and the glove, or the ball clearly in the back of the glove, and the foot not on the base yet.
Crowd saw it on the scoreboard, didn't say a word, so that kind of tells you what they think.
Seriously, have you seen a better beard than this guy right here? That's pro.
That's a good beard, B.A. I like that.
That's a lot of effort. And out is the call, and the inning is over. So a good play by Segura to get Escobar, and something goes the Brewers' way tonight. They get a call overturned. 3 up, 3 down inning for Cots.